हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टिल लर्निंग विद भारती। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे कंप्यूटर की मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो कि आपके आने वाले एग्जाम्स में हेल्प करेंगे। जैसे कि पटवारी में भी अब कंप्यूटर ऐड हो गया है, तो पटवारी और JOIT इन सब के लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ SQL? स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेरी लिस्ट, स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेरी लैंग्वेज, sample query language, none of these or all of these. So right answer is structured query language. Full form of SQL is structured query language. Which of the following are TCL commands? Commit and rollback, update and truncate, select and insert, grant and revoke, or none of these. So right answer is commit, rollback or थर्ड क्या होती है TCL कमांड? सेव पॉइंट, कमिट, रोल बैक एंड सेव पॉइंट. एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ ट्रांसलेशन इन आइसोलेशन प्रिजर्व्स द डैश ऑफ ए डेटाबेस. एटॉमिसिटी, कंसिस्टेंसी, ड्यूरेबिलिटी, ऑल ऑफ दीज और नन ऑफ दीज. सो राइट आंसर इज कंसिस्टेंसी. एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ ट्रांसलेशन इन आइसोलेशन प्रिजर्व्स द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ ए डेटाबेस. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन ओपन सोर्स DBMS? इनमें से कौन सा जो है ओपन सोर्स DBMS है? डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है. MySQL, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट SQL सर्वर, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस, Oracle और ऑल ऑफ दीज. सो राइट आंसर इज MySQL. MySQL is an open source DBMS. Among the professional database management system, dash is the most popular. IBM DB2, SAP HANA, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, or none of these. So right answer is Oracle. Among the professional paid database management systems, Oracle is the most popular. Oracle, IBM DB2, SAP HANA, and Microsoft SQL Server are database management dash tools. Professional, free, open source, outdated, unsuitable, or none of these. So right answer is professional or paid. Which one of the following refers to the data about data? Directory, subdata, warehouse, metadata, or none of these. So right answer is metadata. Data about data refers to the metadata. Next question is relationship of data in one database table with respect to another table is called degree, row, column, cardinality, or all of these. So right answer is cardinality. The three main cardinal relationships are one to one, one to many, and many to many. Which of the following can be used to extract or filter the data and information from the data warehouse? Data management, data mining, data redundancy, data stock, or all of these. So right answer is data mining. Data mining can be used to extract or filter the data and information from the data warehouse. Next question is which one of the following refers to the copies of the same data or information occupying the memory space at multiple places? Data repository, data inconsistency, data mining, data redundancy, or all of these. So right answer is data redundancy. A database management system is a type of dash software. It is a type of system software. It is a kind of application software. It is a kind of general software. All of these or none of these. So right answer is database management system is a type of system software. Next question is a huge collection of the information or data accumulated from several different sources is known as data management, data mining, data warehouse, data stock, or all of these. So right answer is data warehouse. Which of the following is not a property of database, transactions, consistency, insulation, atomicity, durability, or all of these. So right answer is insulation. Insulation is not a property of database transactions. The all or none property is commonly referred to as isolation, durability, atomicity, all of these, or none of these. So right answer is atomicity. Next question is, which of the following is not a DDL command? Data definition language. Truncate, alter, create, update, or all of these. So right answer is update. Update is not an DDL command. Which one of the following command is used to restore the database to the last committed state? Save point, rollback, commit, both 1 and 2, or none of these. So right answer is rollback. Rollback command is used to restore the database to the last committed state. MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, and SQLite are dash database management tools. Professional or paid, free or open source, outdated, unsuitable, or none of these. So right answer is free and open sources. क्या है ये? फ्री और ओपन. जो फ्री होगा वो ओपन सोर्स होगा और जो क्लोज होगा वो क्या होगा? पेड होगा. Next question is, dash is the most popular database management system in the embedded mobile phones tablets category. MySQL, SQLite, Oracle, PostgreSQL, or all of these. So right answer is SQLite. SQLite is the most popular database management system in the embedded mobile phones tablets category. So that's all for today, guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share, and subscribe this channel.